Okay, so we're on Regedor, one of the main streets in Taipa village. There's Taipa way down there, those tall buildings. Taipa village has all these kind of quaint little cool stuff. There's OTT, Old Taipa Tavern, one of the most popular bars in Macau, especially for foreigners. And we're going to be walking down this street in the Typhoon Category 8 rain, and you're going to see some images of my umbrella because it's starting to rain at kind of a slant right now. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So while I could walk that way, I'm still going to walk this way with the rain to my back, and then I can tilt my umbrella a little bit backwards. I got a red umbrella, so does that guy. This is where I just bought my umbrella. People shopping for food in there. So even though it's Category 8, buses are not running, cars should not be on the road. If they are on the road, the insurance doesn't cover them if they get in any accident. And same with taxis. So if you see a taxi, they're trying to make some money because they're going to charge a pretty good hefty fee to take a passenger anywhere. I think they charge about I think I was told it was about 700 mop, which is about $90 inside Taipa, just in this area right here. But if you wanted to go further across the bridge, it would be 1,500 mop. Strong winds and such like that. You don't know when the gusts might come. They're really doing a lot of changes here. I was just down here not too long ago, so this is really sudden and new. I wonder what they're going to do. Said they're going to keep the park. I wonder if they're going to open this up more and then just create a one-way over there. We'll see. Part of the film, part of the interesting thing. I'm kind of documenting things as well. The other thing you'll notice in this area, ooh, that wind is getting strong all of a sudden. The umbrella is kind of blowing. Just put the umbrella away because I have some rain protection anyways right here. And I just bought the umbrella. It cost 90 mop, which is about 11 American dollars. Huh. There's some people in here. This is Curry Monster. And it's closed. Maybe they're going to open up in a little bit, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, there's no rain guards here. Like if you're on the Macau side, you'll see all these flood guards everywhere to protect the buildings from floods. I don't really see those here today. I think this area doesn't really have that problem. Cotai, that's our street right there. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. This week has been 2 typhoons have come through, and they're not too bad, but they are dropping a lot of rain, and there is a lot of flooding in the low elevated areas. I can't get to them because they're mostly on the Macau side, and I'm on the Taipa side. Sorry, all the camera movement. So I'm navigating. Sometimes I want to turn on the viewfinder so I can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, pretty quiet streets. I don't know where to go to find more people. There's casinos there. I did see some people up in this other area. They're going to some grocery shops, things like that. Kind of waiting for the Category 3 to come pretty soon. Down from a Category 8, I think it's not going to last that much longer as a Category 8 storm. Huh. Okay, some people are going over that way. Well, this is our street. And the typhoon, not much of it. It's still good to see. Got some construction. Could hear a little bit about the typhoon and walking around in the typhoon. It's really not too bad, actually. But it could be a lot worse, but it's but not for this typhoon.